This is Katie from Instructional Solutions, and this video is going to go over 5 easy and effective proofreading strategies. So the first strategy is to step away and focus after you've written your paper. And there's 2 ways to really do this. The first is to print a hard copy. You can find so many more mistakes on a paper document than you can staring at the computer screen that you wrote your document on. And to read it aloud. Reading it aloud really helps you to focus in on the actual words on the page, and it will help you catch mistakes. The second strategy for proofreading is to focus on one thing at a time, and in this case, focus on grammar. So look at sentence structure, look at apostrophes and how you use them, and look at your common mistakes. For me, that's from versus form, it's versus its, and then I often add extra commas as well. So make sure that you are aware of your own mistakes and look for those in the paper. The third strategy is then to focus on style. And so you want to align with the company's style standards, whatever they are. You want to remove excess words and then explain or remove jargon. And we always recommend to remove jargon whenever possible. And then you want to review your paper or your document for flow and sequencing to make sure it works together and it's cohesive. After you focus on style, you're going to do another sweep, and this is the 4th strategy, which is to check for other common mistakes. One of them is homonyms. So these are words that sound the same but are spelled differently, like two, and two. You also want to fact check, make sure that your facts are accurate. You want to verify dates, numbers, and times. It's easy to have typos in them or to get them wrong. Verify names and especially the spelling of names. And then you also want to test hyperlinks and phone numbers. It's really easy to have a mistake in those, and then your paper looks less professional. And the 5th strategy is to have someone else check your paper. And now you may not have a person to do this, so if that's the case, you can use Grammarly.com or Microsoft Spell and Grammar Check. These will find a lot for you. You could also hire an editor if it's a very like a consequential document, or you can ask a friend or colleague to check things. Hopefully those 5 strategies will help you proofread your documents well. But if you have any questions about business writing or our business writing courses, please go to instructionalsolutions.com.